Oh, the seat might be a little close.
Damn! This seat's tight. Smells nice. I do have some pictures of what I got in store, so I'm gonna kind of show you what I got, and we'll go from there. You want to see what I got?
Sure.
Hey, it's gonna be off my phone, so it's not gonna be super high res. Maybe I'll screenshot it and I'll post it in the.
There we go. We can see that.
All right, so this is, I guess, like a digital look of what we got planned for it. Now, once it's done, definitely go into the comments and let us know if we got close or if we didn't.
And don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. We see you guys out there not subscribing. Come on, help out the small channel. It doesn't cost you anything and it helps us out. Let's get to it.
What we're gonna do right now is we gotta get some self-tappers. Those are just so that we can get the kit on the car really quick. Then we're going to be riv nutting the kit on as a final form. Haven't decided if we're gonna do like the hidden way or if we're gonna show rivets or riv nuts. Not sure yet, but when we get to that stage, we'll definitely figure it out. You ready to go?
Let's go.
All right, let's do it. Update on this, but this is Phil's car currently. So we just got back and the Audi's pretty quick, but we're gonna get this car up on jack stands. We're gonna pull the wheels and we're gonna proceed to removing all the body panels, fender, front bumper, side skirts, and then from there we're gonna fit the kit on. So yeah. All right, well, we got the car in the air. We're gonna start to remove the wheels and the wheels. We're gonna be taking off the front bumper and the fenders. And then from there, we can add the new front bumper, the new wide body fenders, and mock them up and get them fitted on the car. The top button. All right. Here's a little thing. What the heck is this? Sheesh. I like that. Oh, I think the bumper is ready to come off. That's nice. Oh man. All right, now for the fenders, right?
Yep.
Welcome back to Initial Speed. This is day 2 on the IS300 build.
No, on the Project Patches build.
The Project Patches build. Somehow it got dubbed that name. So we're going with Project Patches. From what you guys saw the last time, we kind of got rained out and we had to call it quits. Today, as you can see, is a beautiful day and we're back on it. We're back on the IS300. So a little update of where we're at now is we kind of like adjusted the front fenders a little bit better. They don't fit the greatest, but yeah, that's fiberglass. We are installing the side skirts, and then from there the front bumper and headlights. But I figured we'd do the side skirts next because they seem like they'll be the easiest. So that's the update for now. once again, thanks for joining us, and let's get it going.
Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe.
Let's start with the. Let's start with this side. Simple thing. In and call it. Side skirts are easy.
Nah. The question is,
Side skirts, awesome.
Grab, self-tappers.
Self-tappers. Do we need them? We do, right?
Well, if
for
we're
here,
gonna tap
for here, we don't.
Okay,
play
so
around with
let's
screws.
try that and see
Let's just do that, yeah.
how it sits.
Yo, this is coming together. It's looking good. We're gonna have to chop it up though. All right.
I see your vision.
Yeah, it's coming along.
All right, so we've got the fender to fit better. The bumper is fitting better. So we threw on the skirts. I don't remember if we updated you to show you that we got the skirts on. And now it's time for the it's time for the quarter. So Omar just ran out to grab some self-tappers just so we can get things sitting in a half decent place. So I took off the rear molding of the doors because there are over door covers as well. So there's the quarter that we're going to be working with. That's the passenger side. The driver's side, I don't know where he put it. But the nice thing about removing the molding, so the over doors literally are over doors. They just mount to the outside of the door just to finish the look from the quarter panel into the door. So to remove those door guards, which is basically when you open a door and to save your door, these little pieces are on the doors. See, this one still has it. So all you need is heat and prying, but you got to be careful that you don't pull the paint off. So you've got to be rough but gentle. Guys will get that. So remember I said the quarter? We're working on the quarter. We got a little further than, you know, I thought. Take a look. Just taking down some products so we can...
Up close and personal.
Just taking some down so the door can close properly. You know, fiberglass, you've got to play with it a little bit. So
like off by a little here.
Are we? Okay. All right, well, I'll come around the other side and give you guys a little view of what the big man's up to. All right, so that's where we are. A little panda action going. But having a little bit of trouble with the door opening and closing. It's contacting that quarter. But, you know, a little bit of sanding, a little bit of time, energy, maybe some fiberglass to build up a little bit here and there.
Bondo.
But
Lots of Bondo.
I think it's coming along nicely.
Watch the door. Oh no. There we go.
Yeah. So it still catches a little bit.
Yeah. We'll get it.
It's all right, a little bit of time.
Right now it's just roughing.
We'll get it.
It's just roughing, yeah.
Let us know down below, let us know down below if you guys have played with fiberglass before and the woes that you've got that you encounter. It's coming along though.
Yeah.
I mean, look at it from this angle.
Yeah.
Like that's pretty nice to me.
It's really nice. Let's go do the other side just to complete the rough-in, and we can worry about making it pretty.
All right.
Alrighty, guys. It's been a bit since we've updated you, but we managed to get almost the whole kit on. We're done for the day, so we just wanted to show you where we're currently at. Now, like we were saying before, that game, tell us if we got close to FR Legends or not. Phil's just removing the jacks. You can kind of get a look of it right now. We're about to drop it. The front looks nasty.
All right, we ready?
Yeah, hold on. All right. Are we gonna put brakes on any of that? We're doing it because we're not sure.
Good call, good call.
Yeah. If we're gonna even be able to get the jack underneath it, so that's why we're doing it. We're both a bit tired.
It's been a long day.
Yeah.
But a productive day.
But yeah, definitely productive day.
All right, you ready?
Yep.
You guys are gonna see this before I do.
Yeah. Go.
Here we go.
It stopped there? Is that where it stopped?
Hey?
It stopped there?
That's where it stopped. What are we seeing? What are we seeing?
Right.
What are we seeing?
It's,
oh shoot.
It's gonna be all right, but we're gonna definitely. We haven't cut the rear quarters yet, but we definitely have to do that. But it looks crazy.
Yo, I don't care what any of you guys say. That is tough.
It looks sick.
It looks sick. That's tough. All right, we need it off the bricks. Come on. Okay, you won't believe this. I mean, the man behind the camera said it, and we produced it. Yeah, we produced it. I was gonna say he produced it, but we did. I mean, it's a collective thing, right? Hey, I said to be quiet. Frickin' Raven. This thing, bruh, this is aggressive. And if you say this isn't aggressive, come at me, because I'm saying it's aggressive. I mean, take a look from the front. Come on back. Like, I mean, come on. You can't tell. Look how it's wide. It's got the right wheels on it, as most projects. Let's hit this side. I want this 3/4 corner of it, because I mean, look at that. Like, look at this. Oh man, like the lines on it. Come on. And then the black wheels on one side, and then you go over to the other side, and we got the whites going. Come on. That's mad. Man. All right, well, I mean, we're new YouTubers, but not new to cars. But man, like, shh. 1 to 10, you guys tell me down below. What color would you do it if this was your car? Man. From every angle. Like it could use like maybe like a gurney flat, like something wise in the back. I mean, I don't know, it needs something here. You guys tell us, what does it need? It's missing something to be a little bit more aggressive in the back, but I mean the lip, the quarters, the over doors, the skirts, the fenders, the front bumper. Oh, the wheels. I got nothing to say. cinematic. Hit it up.